The 5-seater Hot Spot Propel Spa, sculpted for total body relaxation. This is comfort made smarter. 24 precision jets, 208 by 208 and 84 centimeters tall. A perfect fit for any home. Enjoy soft, natural feeling water with the optional freshwater salt system. Sanitized by a user-level based titanium cartridge, it creates chlorine from salt automatically. Multicolor lighting inside and out sets the perfect mood. Hot Spot collection where quality, performance and value meet. Maximize your everyday. Energy efficient, easy water care, a legacy of relaxing massage. Available at Aquapool Spas in our Fuengirola or San Pedro stores.